How to turn on or turn off accessibility player on YouTube. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the accessibility player easy and fast on your YouTube app. So first thing, go to YouTube and then go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go down and search for settings, click on settings, and now go to history and privacy, or if you didn't find the option right here, just go down and search for accessibility, and here is accessibility option. Here click on it, and now you can turn on the accessibility player or turn it off. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.